Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Motorola Moto G5S to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for Play Store and get application to transfer data. So I can recommend you Send Anywhere application. Of course, remember to turn on the Wi-Fi. And we have to get this application. And of course the same we have to do on the second smartphone. I did it, and easily right now I can open this app. Open on your Motorola. Right now click right here, click confirm, tap continue, accept the permission. And as you can see right now we are able to send photos, videos, audio, apps and contacts when you grant the permission, and also any other files that we have on the smartphone. But it's only example, so I will skip for the photos, and I would like to take these photos and send it. So click send when you finish selecting everything, then tap here that we got it. On your second smartphone you have to click receive, and here we have to input this key. So let's do this. Click receive. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.